Good morning, Memorial ninth grade students. We have maybe discovered an issue that you might be having in getting into your class, and it's important for you to know how to find classes. The reason why is you are enrolled in 2 classes for each subject. You have a first semester class and a second semester class. And if you don't have your courses set up right, you might not see them. So I want to show you how to find all of your classes. That way you're getting on the class you're supposed to get on and you're not being counted absent. So if you'll follow me along here, when you log into Schoology, this is like your main screen here. And what you're going to do is you're going to click on courses. And right here, when you click on courses, you see all these blocks. Now the problem is this won't hold all of your classes. It holds 12 classes, but you actually have 8 times 2, which is 16. So there's 4 classes that aren't showing up here. So in order to make sure we know where our classes are, we're going to click on My Courses. Once we've clicked on My Courses, we should be able to see all our courses. Now this is a teacher account, so it only has their algebra classes here. But as a student, you'll see one for algebra, one for world geography, so on and so forth. Now, there are a few things that you can do to make this easier. And there's a thing that's called Reorder Courses. And this allows you to place them in order. And notice when I scroll down, it says courses that appear below this line will not appear in the courses drop-down. So any classes that are down here won't show up whenever I go here. So how are we going to solve that issue? So we can reorder our courses, and you can just drag them and put them in order. Now remember what I said, you have first semester classes and second semester classes. So here's the best thing to do. The best thing would be to put all your first semester classes up here on top and put them in order of your subject. So you might put first period at the top, then second period, then third period. Notice that this teacher ordered his in by semester. He has first semester period 1, first semester period 2, first semester period 4. He doesn't have a third period, that's his conference. Okay, but you have a third period. And then he put his second semester classes below that. My suggestion would be to take all of my second semester courses and put them below this line here. And that way they aren't showing up. But notice it pops one up anyway, so you might not be able to do that. But the point is, put all your first semester classes in period order from starting at the top here, and make sure they're in order. So that way, when you click on courses, you see the courses that you need to be in, and it should be the first 8 courses here. If you have any questions or you need any help, please get a hold of your teacher, or you can email me. My name is Mr. Williamson. I'm the assistant principal. You can send me a notification in Schoology that you need help, and I will be glad to help you with that. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope that it was helpful, and I hope that you're getting to all your classes.